Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Ahmed Azim and welcome to the ReadyForex.com weekly analysis. Okay, some traders have requested me to cover some more pairs. So, I'm going to do this session again. Okay, so let's see. The request was to cover the Euro GBP, Euro AUD, and Euro JPY currency pair, and then there was a request to also cover the GBP JPY pair as well. Now, regarding the JPY, let me go over to the Euro JPY, and if you just apply the rainbow over here, okay, you see, go over to a daily time frame. You see we got this nice uptrend over here. Okay, so it's a nice uptrend going on inside Euro JPY currency pair. Now if you check out the 4-hour time frame, if you check out the rainbow, you can see all of these moving averages, they are pointing up. Okay, so looks like to me we got a nice uptrend over here. Now even if I go down further to a 1-hour time frame, we got to we got the same story, same trend over here. This is an uptrend inside Euro JPY currency pair. Okay, so the trend is up, and it is a good idea. Even if you check out the weekly, it's still an uptrend going on. If you check out the monthly, same story, uptrend. So I think it's a good idea to look for buy trades using day trading strategies. Now if you do not have a day trading strategy, you can visit my website readyforex.com and you can learn it from there. Okay, so the trend is clear. Okay, now as far as the Elliott wave analysis is concerned over here, let me zoom out a little bit. In daily time frame, we got this drop in price action, and after this we're getting this bullish leg over here. Now the way I see the decline over here basically suggests that this is the first leg of Euro Yen currency pair. Okay, so in other words, this is the decline over here, and then expect a second leg to the downside. So I would say this is wave A, this is wave B, and expect bearish wave C. Okay, give me a second over here, let me move this thing away. Okay, so the way I see, I think we got this as bearish wave A, bullish wave B, and then expect a bearish wave C. Now we can't just jump into the market just because we think that price action is going to drop, because the trend, like I've showed you earlier, it's a clear uptrend going on inside Euro JPY currency pair. Now what you can do is we can go down into a smaller time frame, let's say a 4-hour chart. Okay, we can draw a trend line over here. Okay, and I can even draw one more trend line. Okay, now once market managed to break through all of these trend lines, okay, like we get some kind of a top and price action starts the decline. Once we get that, then we can assume that market is probably going to turn around and it's going to start the decline. Okay, otherwise it's an uptrend. There is no need to fight the trend. The trend is your friend, so follow the trend. Okay, that's the way how I analyze the market, and that's the way how I look at price charts. Next one was the GBP JPY currency pair. Okay, now in GBP JPY, let's check out the rainbow. Go to a weekly chart. It's an uptrend over here. Okay, in weekly uptrend. If you check out the daily, it's an uptrend. 4 hour is obviously up, bullish trend, and even in 1 hour time frame we got the uptrend. So the rainbow is pointing up now. As far as the Elliott wave analysis is concerned, if you go over to our daily chart, we got this big washout in price action. So same story in GBP JPY currency pair. I'm expecting the market to drop as well. Okay, so this would be wave A, bullish leg wave B, and then expect a drop in price wave C. Okay, now again same story. I mean, if price action just keep going up, then it's not a good idea to fight the trend or try to trade against the trend. We need some kind of an evidence that market is turning around and it's trying to fall back down. So you can draw some trend lines over here. Okay, and maybe look for a break below the support area. Once you get that, then I think it's a good idea to look for bearish patterns or Elliott wave setups, or you can use chart patterns, candlestick patterns. There are different ways you can play it. Okay, next one was, so I covered the euro yen and GBP JPY. Then euro AUD. Okay, let me cover this as well. Now euro AUD, if you just apply the rainbow, go over to a weekly, you see it's an uptrend. Okay, even if you check out the monthly chart, it's still an uptrend, but market is obviously trying to fall over here. If you check out the 4 hour time frame, it is an uptrend, but we're getting a twist over here. So the way I see, these things are usually going to change the trend. And if you check out the 1 hour time frame, we even got the crossovers to the downside. Now as far as the Elliott wave is concerned over here, I'm going to move to this chart. So this is the first leg over here. I would consider this as bearish wave A, and then we got the pullback, and the chances are high that price action is going to fall to print bearish wave C. So we got this probably wave A, then a bullish leg wave B, and after that I expect a bearish leg wave C. So this was the euro AUD analysis. I hope I covered all of these requested currency pairs, which I did not manage to cover it yesterday. Okay, let's go back to, okay, there's an offer, but it's only available for my students, and this is the Forex opportunity for my old students actually. Okay, that's pretty much it for the time being from my side, and I will see you tomorrow when we do the London market session. Also, I will also upload the individual Elliott wave analysis videos as well. So that's it for the time being from my side.